Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth. Welcome to my space. Today I'll be sharing with you what I buy mainly for the house. And majorly the stores I go to is Costco, Trader Joe's, and African stores. So I got that from Costco, and those pineapples too are from Costco. They are like $2 and change each. And those are the pineapples I use for my fried rice recipe, pineapple fried rice recipe. Those are potatoes. I got them from Costco too. I got the onion from Costco. Onion is about $11 something. I got the green beans from Trader Joe. I got the milk. That is the lactose free milk, but it's whole milk, full fat. That is what I use. And plantain chips is about $1.99. Chicken wings, those are good. I love those, but they are expensive now. This Korean style, what's it called? Short ribs. I tried it. Not a fan of it. Someone talked about it. I said, okay, let me just give this a try. And those are apples that I use for my zobo drink, and I snack with them too. Yeah, then these are kidney beans. I use them for my fried rice mainly. I think I got 4 of those. Yeah, I got 4 of those. Then I got some onions from Aldi. I got the sweet corn from Aldi. These ones I use them for my cooking. The other one I boil or I put them in the oven, like smoking them. Agbado sunsun. Those are spring onions. I always buy them, slice them, and put them in the freezer. That is how I preserve them. Then I got some bagel. Once in a while, I want to eat bagel. This is another grocery from Marshall. I got those from Marshall's. Those are coconut sponge. I like them. It's good, but it's $2.99. But it's too stiff. I don't know how to put it. I cut it into 2 to have a smaller portion. It was just too small. I watched someone's video, and the person talked about this sponge from Marshall's and then TJ Maxx. Okay, this is from Marshall's. Yeah, I got this from Marshall, and it's 9 of them. I'm liking it. I've started using it. I like it. Love the sponge. It's good. I got this kuli and I finished it right away. I went back, I got 2. You see the other? Yeah, this is the 2 I got. I finished it right away. One of them. This is what's it called? Goat meat. I got 2 of those goat meat. I think the goat meat is about $16 something. I'm not too sure. I'm not seeing it very well now. Yeah, about 16 and change. So I got 2 of them, and I got pomo ijebu. I got pomo ijebu. So most times when I go, I just buy in 2s. Then I can use it for a long time. I love the Malta Guinness. I don't take it all the time, but once in a while I want to, have something. Then I always buy titles. Anytime I go to African store, I buy plantain, pig milk. I got 4 of those, and I'll buy titles. Sometimes I buy corned beef. I'm not a fan. Then I buy orugbo. I make sure I buy orugbo because orugbo is good for cough, and it's so cold here in Minnesota, so I always have orugbo. And definitely I'll buy plantain. Sometimes I fry, sometimes I boil it inside my beans. I love beans so much, so I always have my plantain around. That is half and half. Mainly I use it for my coffee or my tea, just biscuit to snack with. Yes, I know I have sweet tooth. This sugar, the last one I bought last year, just is about to finish, so I decided to just buy another one to top it up. Those are dates. It's called Debino in Hausa language. I love dates so much. Dry mango. Why I'm buying all this thing is that we love to snack with them, and I make energy bar. I'll make a video about it very soon, about the energy bar that I always make with all these things. Then my coffee, honey from Costco. All those things are from Costco. I'm like, it's time for summer to be here, so I decided to buy burger buns and just make burger for us. I buy this for sandwiches. Mainly that's why I use it for sandwich. I just toast it. Yeah. Then I bought some allergy medicine, dishwashing soaps. I bought some eggs, like 5 dozen. I don't want to keep going to the store every week. 5 dozens of eggs. Those are the things I got. Thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate you guys. Tell me maybe there is anything you want me to prepare, and I will do that. This is another haul. I have zobo here. I got milk. I bought additional kuli, additional titles. You can see the repetition of things that I normally buy. I got Ovaltine. Once in a while, I mix my coffee with hot chocolate, and that's why my preferred hot chocolate that I mix my coffee with. Then in Costco, I always buy the Kerrygold butter. It's on sale. That's why I bought 3 of them, because it's about $11 something. So anytime it's on sale, I take advantage and I just buy as much as I can. So it was a limit of 3, so I just got all 3. I got some smoked turkey. I got my yam. It's about $24 for those 2 yams, and it's good. I make pounded yam with egusi soup. That was so delicious. I enjoyed it. So most times I buy in 2s. That's why you can see another set of 2 milks, so that I don't go to store all the time. I take tea a lot. I love tea. Anybody that knows me knows I love to drink tea. So that is why you see me have all kinds of milk at home. Yeah. So these are all the things that I've been buying from all the stores I go to. One of these days I will try and, make a video how I do my shopping, and you'll be able to see. I don't know if I told you I got zobo. That is hibiscus leaf. Yeah, I love to drink zobo. I resigned from drinking Coke, so those are the things that I just I make my zobo, so I control the sugar I put in it and all that. Sometimes I use honey, I don't use sugar, or I use dates too as a sweetener sometimes, just alternating it and making sure that you know what you are taking. So I really appreciate everyone. Comment down below if you see if there is anything, if you live in anything you see that is of good benefit. Yes, I got fresh snail. I have dry snail that I sell, but I got a fresh one. That's so insane. Yeah, I can't remember the price. I got 2 because I'm like, okay, I'm going to make pepper snail with some pepper pomo, something just to, maybe like in the evening you don't want to eat too much, you just snack with those, and you just want something. I live in a very cold state, so I love hot food. Yeah, this is smoked turkey. Smoked turkey, I just love the taste it gives to your cooking. That is mainly what I like about the smoked turkey. The taste it gives to your cooking. Thank you so much. God bless.